Gardens connect us to food security. Not only does growing at least part of your own fruits, veggies and herbs give you access to fresh, delicious, nutrient-dense organic produce, which reduces food miles and turns them into food meters, but it also teaches us about food security. At a time when the cost of living crisis is making many people anxious about how they can afford to live well, growing at least part of your own fruits and veggies and herbs empowers you. But it's not always possible to grow your own fresh produce at home. Maybe you haven't got enough space, maybe you haven't got the right conditions, or maybe you're renting and you don't feel you can put down roots. So why not become part of your local community garden? Community gardens like this one, it's the Royal Park Community Garden, are not only about growing produce, they're about growing connections. You'll meet like-minded locals, you'll learn, you'll share knowledge, and you'll have lots of fun along the way. While it's not always possible to meet all your fresh food needs, you might also choose to get involved with a local food swap or a harvest exchange and share your excess with others who are in need.